Theoretically, the inside of a sink cabinet shouldn't be getting wet, but in the real world, that's just not the case. Too often there's a leak either from the trap or the faucet, and if water sits on the floor, it'll eventually rot it out. So here's a way to prevent that. Buy some vinyl tiles. They're only about $1 a piece, and have a peel and stick adhesive on the back. Comes with the paper backing, you just peel it off. It's a simple installation, it's as simple as just pressing it down. This is a very strong adhesive, you'd be surprised. It sticks right down. It is important to make sure you clean the cabinet floor really well, remove all dust so that the glue will stick. Now here's one that I trimmed earlier. I had to cut off about 1 inch of tile so it would fit. I'm going to slide that in the back. Butt the seams up really tightly, as tight as you can get them. Press it down. Okay, and we just keep going like that all the way across the floor of the cabinet. Here's the next one. This is a full size, and I made the cuts in the back just so you'd have a full size tile right up front. Again, butt them really tightly together. Look at that seam, it's almost invisible. Okay, so I'm just going to continue like that across the whole floor. Now in the end, what you end up with is a floor that's not only water resistant, but really easy to clean.